Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to unbox and set up. A brand new gaming chair we got for free from Acer when we purchased their Nitro 5 laptop. Yup, you've heard that right. Acer's running a promotion, and we just couldn't resist. So let's dive into this unboxing and assembly. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The chair comes in this really sturdy box and it's packed up pretty well. We'll cut through the tape carefully so we don't accidentally slice anything important inside. All the screws and tools should be packed in this little bag. A couple of armrests here. We've got the backrest. You can already tell it's got some serious padding. And I'm assuming that's the base for the wheels. Nice! Next, here's the seat base. Definitely looks comfortable and premium. Alright, so we've got all the parts laid out. The good thing about this chair is it comes with everything you need. The seat, backrest, armrests, base, casters, and of course, all the screws and tools. Let's go ahead and start assembling! Now that we've got everything unpacked, the next step is to attach the base with the wheels. Just pop the casters into the bottom of the seat base and it should click into place. Once that's done, we can flip the chair over and attach it to the hydraulic piston. Alright, we're getting there. To attach the armrest to the backrest, it's pretty straightforward. Just line up the holes and screw them in. You'll probably want to use the provided Allen wrench for this. Now let's grab the seat and attach the backrest to it. You should have a few screws and bolts that go into these spots right here. Don't tighten everything all the way just yet. Just make sure everything is in place so we can adjust it later if needed. Now we've just got to the final touches. Simply attach the base and the gas lift piston to the bottom of the chair, and then the chair is basically ready to go. Just pop it into the seat base and you're done. Alright, guys, we've got it all set up. The assembly process was super smooth. The chair feels really sturdy. The adjustable height works perfectly. And that's it! The Acer gaming chair is officially assembled and it's ready for some serious gaming and editing sessions. Honestly, I'm super impressed with the comfort level, and it's a perfect match for the Nitro 5. Huge thanks for Acer for this awesome gift. If you haven't checked out the Nitro 5 yet, you should definitely give it a look. Powerful, sleek, and now with this awesome chair. That's all for today's unboxing and assembly. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and drop any questions if you have comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless.